Council, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. 1 week time is allowed to file counter affidavit. List after 1 week.
Lordship will fix that at any day, my lord.
Okay, list on 24th April.
Can it be 18th or like this, my lord?
18, there'll be some difficulties, that's why.
Or like this, my lord, since matter already.
We'll have it on 24th.
Lordship.
Maybe I beg to mention a motion matter regarding selection appointment the Gaogra my lord on Friday, my lord.
Okay.
Highly obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I would like to mention for listing of one all pending litigation matter. Lordship, after mediation, lordship on 29th of April,
29th.
29th. Obliged, lordship.
May I please, Lordship? I would like to mention one writ petition for listing under admission column regarding non-payment of family pension. Lordship. It was listed on March 2023, Lordship, earlier.
Okay.
Immediately after
26.
April, Lordship.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I am paying for listing to this petition. It was last posted on 13/9/23.
Oh,
After that, it was not listed.
okay, 30 April.
May I please your lordship, I'm also praying for listing of a hearing matter, lordship, but it is a pension matter and petitioner is very ill, lordship. On 25th, lordship?
Yeah.
On 25th, lordship? Deeply obliged. May I please your lordship? I pray for listing of the matter. It relates to revision of pay. The date may be fixed, lordship.
Okay, 1st May.
Obliged.
May I please lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention a writ petition. The matter is regarding pension matter. He is not getting pension from 2022. He has retired on 2022, lordship.
Okay. After Bihu,
Yes, lordship.
26th.
26th. Yes, lordship.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 23 with the concern of the other side. We need some time to file our reply.
Yeah, Mr.
Mr. On behalf of A.K. Brua, petitioner,
How much time you require?
after vacation.
Okay. On request made on behalf of Mr. A.K. Barwa, let me counsel for a petitioner. 2 weeks time is allowed to file reply to the counter filed by the respondents.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention two matters for listing. One is WPC 4836 of 2020, matters regarding termination of employment due to fake certificate, and it was last listed in July 2023. Thereafter, it has not been listed. So
1st May.
1st May.
Yeah.
And lordship, there's another matter, WPC
Same order,
36.
same day.
Okay, thank you.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention for adjournment, lordship. Item number 15, lordship.
1-5.
Yes, lordship.
You have 40
And Kolita.
and Kalita.
Yes, ma'am.
When do you want?
Next
After a week.
Next week, lordship.
On request made by MS and Kalita, let me counsel for petition. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of two matters, lordship. WPC number 3128 of 2023 and WPC number 508 of 2018. Lordship, the matters are relating to compassionate appointment. Lordship may kindly list the matter.
25th.
Obliged, lordship.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 of today's daily list.
Hmm.
Lordship, 2 weeks time may be granted for filing affidavit in reply.
You have for petitioner?
And for a petitioner,
Lordship, I am for SK Methi.
Your good name?
A. Ahmed.
Mr. A. Ahmed, let me counsel for petitioner is allowed. How much time?
Lordship,
25 April.
2 weeks time to file reply to the counter filed by the
Lordship, a date may be
respondents.
fixed. They are
25.
insisting for date,
List the matter on
25th.
25th.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 41, madam. 41, madam. My lord, in this matter, I would pray for an adjournment, madam, for today.
You are for,
My lord, I am for the petition, madam.
your good name,
P.H. Kumar, madam.
you are appearing on behalf of,
Mr. S. Bhattakur, madam.
on request made on behalf of Mr. S. Bhattakur, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged, madam.
Lordship, I recommend for listing on admission matter, Lordship. Can be on 9, Lordship.
Not 9. Twenty-third,
Not that maybe.
23rd.
May it please, your lordship. Insofar as item number 32 is concerned, yesterday we have received a copy of the affidavit, possibly it's not on record, madam. May I pray that the matter be listed immediately after the ensuing vacation, madam? The interim
Okay,
understand.
on request made by S. Banik, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List. When?
Any day after the vacation, madam.
29th,
29th of April, the interim to complete. The interim order to continue with.
interim order partially to continue to the.
That's-
Item 2 for motion.
May it please, your lordship.
Yes,
So this matter pertains to appointment under compassionate ground also. And the proposal of the petitioners are rejected. Only on the ground that there is.
has the writ appeal been disposed?
No, your
No,
lordship.
lordship.
Yeah, your lordship, there is a problem here. I was objection with regards to maintainability because here the compassionate appointment. He has clubbed compassionate appointment petitions on behalf of 3 other petitioners. All 3 petitions are totally different district commissioners also, your lordship. Nagaon, Hailakandi and Tinsukia. That is not, it is.
We challenge the
Not the norm.
office paper dated 1/6/2015. Is it a common question, lordship?
No, they have to.
But then you'll have to file separate writ petition.
So that we have challenged the only SL.
Maybe, maybe. But then since you are from different districts, you'll have to file separate writ petitions. You can withdraw and file separate writ petition. Okay. Mr.
Yes, and Adhyapok.
S. Nadia Baklana, Counsel for Petitioner, press for withdrawal of this writ petition with liberty to file afresh. Mr. D. Bora, Leonard Government Advocate, appears for the respondents. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as paid for.
Item 3.
May I please, your lordship, it's a contempt petition. The court order is page number 16, lordship, the direction. Page number 16, para number 7, lordship. May I read, lordship?
Page number,
16, para number 7, lordship.
yes,
Accordingly, the court therefore dispose of the writ petition with a direction to the respondent authorities, more particularly to the director of the pensioner, to consider the total length of service of the petitioner from the date of his initial appointment on so and so deal.
have you served copy?
Lordship,
You've served.
lordship,
Part MS,
A Begum, lordship.
A Begum, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, issue of this. Petitioner will take steps for service of notice on all the respondents by registered for daily within 1 week,
Lordship,
list after 6 weeks.
Item 4. May it please you, lords, my lord. This honorable court's order at page 14, my lord. Page 14. Operative part at page 16, your lordship may kindly see, my lord. This is the specific direct, page 16. Taking into account the consensus arrived at by the learned counsel for the parties, the court therefore direct the Assam State Warehousing Corporation, that is the respondent number 1 and 2, to arrive at a total entitlement of petitioner, that is the amount number so and so, along with the entitlement towards the TAVs within a period of 10 days from today, and thereafter computed the total entitlement by applying interest at the rate of 7% on reducing balance and pay the same in equal monthly installment. My lord, I draw your lordship attention to my amendment at paragraph 8 and 9 of petition, page 8 of the petition, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, paragraph 8, I beg to read before your lordship's mind. The petitioner states that as
that
mentioned
we
in,
have already considered,
my lord,
that we have already seen.
they have not paid the interest and the specific TA bills, my lord, as mentioned in the operative part, I placed before the law.
You've not received this 23 lakhs.
That part they have paid
Oh,
by various installment, but as regards interest and the TA bills, they have not paid, my lord. I made several representations and they're silent about, they're not doing anything.
you've not got the interest part.
Interest part as well as the TA bills of rupees,
How much?
TA bills amounts comes to rupees,
61,000.
61,800.
But Mr.
MS
Ramesh
Raghavan.
Rajbargo and Leonard Thompson.
We have no pensionary benefit, my lord. We are retirement.
Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered proceeding within 1 week, list after 6.
Obligation.
Item 5.
May I please? In this case, your lordship, we have challenged cancellation order passed by the ONGC, your lordship. And last occasion, your lordship directed to file additional affidavit by explanation.
Where is the impugned order?
Annexer 5, your lordship, in main writ petition, your lordship, at page 28, your lordship, cancellation order.
Page?
38, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship. And we have filed an additional affidavit with explanation, your lordship, if you will
Where's your explanation?
take our additional affidavit, paragraph 6 at page 71, your lordship.
Yes.
In this case, your lordship, we have annexed an order at page 39, your lordship, passed by the Gujarat High Court, your lordship. In this order, your lord,
This cancellation is due to administrative difficulties.
yes, lordship. If your lordship will find at page 67, serial number 4.3, your lordship. Your lordship,
Okay, heard, Mr.
SI Akan.
Yes, sir.
Akan.
Akan learning council. Issue notice. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice on all the respondents by registered post agent.
Lordship,
This not for.
deeply aware. Item 6.
My lord, in this case, my lord, I am on behalf of the respondent number 6, respondent number 2, my lord, who received the instruction and already prepared the affidavit sending for vetting, my lord. So within
Respondent number
2,
two. You're the main respondent?
yes, my lord, yeah, we are the main respondent.
Okay, how much time you require?
Within 2 weeks, my lord, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay, heard, Mr. M.H. Laskar.
A date may be fixed.
Mr. T.J. Mahanda, Learned Standing Council, Guwahati High Court.
My lord,
Submits that the affidavit has been sent for waiting and prays for 2 weeks' time to file the same. Praise a lot. It's done. When you want a date?
Yes, your lordship.
2 weeks today, what, third? 24th.
my lord.
Oblige lordship. Chairman.
May I please, your lordship. In the last occasion, I was directed to file an additional affidavit, your lordship, that I have already filed, your lordship. For bringing the proceeding of the Gram Sabha meeting, your lordship, whereby the petitioner has been recommended, your lordship.
By which? Where's that proceeding?
There's 35, your lordship. In my additional affidavit.
Yes.
There's 35,
Resolution number?
number 4, your lordship. There's 36.
Yes.
And thereafter, your lordship, the name of the petitioner has. And after recommendation, your lordship, the name of the petitioner has been sent for. Page 18, your lordship, kindly have a look.
Page?
Page 18, your lordship. By this letter, your lordship, the petitioner and some other person have been sent for training, your lordship. Page 21. At serial number 45, your lordship, the name of the petitioner is there.
Serial number?
45.
Yes.
Serial number 45, Shiltoka Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain is the petitioner, your lordship. And he has been participated in the training, and thereafter, after completion of the training, certificate was issued in favor of the petitioner. That is at page 22.
Then?
Now page 25, your lordship, kindly see. Page 25. This letter was issued on 13/2/2024. By this letter, the executive engineer PHE Dhubri issued this letter to the BDO Zamadarhat Development Block for conducting a Gram Sabha meeting and to select this one Pareshuddin, your lordship, to be as Zolavitra, your lordship. But in respect of this PWS, the petitioner has already been recommended and training has already been completed by the petitioner, and thereafter engagement has not been issued and all other formalities have been completed. But in the meantime, this letter has been issued, your lordship.
After this, what happened?
But till date, your lordship, no meeting has been held, your lordship.
Who appears for the other side?
Lord, PHC department is the main party, my lord, but council is not present, my lord. Then council PHC department. Call him.
who is the standing council?
There are numbers of councils, my lord,
Uh,
headed by Mr. P. N. Chaudhary. P. N. Goswami.
PN Goswami. Just call him
Yes, yes.
after some time.
Yes, yes.
Item 8.
Here, your lordship, we have not received any instructions. Otherwise, your lordship, as the file reflects, it was fixed on 8/4, your lordship. Let it come up on 8/4, your lordship, by the time I get the instruction.
No, it was fixed on 3/4 in my file, Lordship.
It's fixed on 3/4.
3/4, but somehow it has, because the letter was sent and it said that that date was 8/4. Your lordship may fix it on Monday, your lordship. I'll
Official
get
time
the-
was given, Lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. M. Khan, then the council. On request made by Mr. D. Bora, then the governor. List the matter on 8.
Publish.
Item 9.
For instruction, my lord, the matter is like Marshal in the assembly. The so-called notice was issued to him in the beginning of the year last year. He replied to the so-called notice, then nothing happened, nothing moved. Of late, when he withdrew his salaries, he could find his increment was withheld. Meaning thereby, the punishment already was imposed. So it was for instruction there.
Lordship, I'm entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 1 to 4. I pray for short date, bring instruction, my lord, in the coming weeks, my
So
lord.
let it come on Monday next, my lord, for motion.
Okay, heard Mr. A.C. Barbara, then it's new council. Assisted by Mr. U.S. Cycle and the council. Boyan, then it's
এই বস্তুটো ইয়াতো লিখা থাকে
and to appearance, assisted by MS. B. Bora, and to appearance on behalf
Sorry.
of respondents. 1, 2, 4.
all the response.
Lordship,
And place for a short time, we enable her to receive instructions. List on
Monday next month, 8th of April for motion.
can it be on 10th?
10th of April-
May not.
8th of April on Monday,
8th
let,
night, any day. convenient.
8th of April, my, or 9th of April, my lord, for motion,
Okay, 9th April.
for motion, my
Alright.
lord.
Lordship, may I pay for an extra copy of the
Edit.
text?
Item 10.
Yes,
My lord, I have been appointed as Anganwadi worker on 2022, my lord, on 24, on a temporary basis. And since then I have been working there on with the approval of the CDPO. But at present, it has been for the permanent post, it has been advertised. And I have also appeared in the interview. But I have come to know recently that I have not been selected. Result has not been announced, my lord, but I have come to know.
how do you know when results are not announced? How do you know that you have not been selected?
My lord, I have submitted one representation before the director.
How do you know you have not been selected?
No, I have not, that's mean another candidates are there, my lord.
Results have been declared or not?
Or I have been, result has not been declared.
Then how do you know you
It
have
is,
not been
it
selected?
is my prediction for that, my lord, I may not be selected. It's because of other candidates are there. I have been working for 2 years, my lord.
Maybe you have been working for 5 years or so, but you have applied for the post.
My lord,
Results are not declared.
result
And-
has not been
and you,
declared.
you think that you will not be selected, so you.
My
applied
lord.
it.
My lord,
This
since the
petition is not maintainable at all.
my lord, actually,
No, no,
according
no.
to,
I'm
according to
dismissing-
proceedings.
I'm dismissing this.
My lord, according to proceedings on the 17 to 2072, proceedings are there for the continuous service.
Where is the proceeding?
Two minutes are there, my lord.
Where are the minutes?
Minutes have not been collected, my lord, but yes, I have been appointed and temporary basis till today. I have been working.
You are saying there are 2 minutes. You don't have the copy of the minutes.
13 to
Results not declared. You think you are not going to be selected. This is totally on apprehension.
My lord, I maybe it may have given my priority, but that's why I have been appeared, my lord.
If you're not selected, you can approach this court after after the results are declared. But today, no.
My lord.
You can withdraw this or I'll dismiss it.
It may be withdrawn, my lord.
Hurt, Mr.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. S. Das, London Council for Petitioner. Press for withdrawal of this writ petition with liberty to file afresh.
My lord.
Mr. D. Bora, London Government Advocate, appears on behalf of all the respondents. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as paid for.
My lord. God bless.
11.
May I please your lordship, the
Yes.
petitioner before your lordship is against his termination order, my lord, as page 55, annexure 9, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the termination order has been issued to the petitioner on the basis of a enquiry report, my lord. Whereas the Deputy Secretary to Assam Department
So
violated.
there was a departmental inquiry.
My lord, that is the issue, my lord. This departmental inquiry was not against the petitioner. If your lordship comes to page 39, annexure 7, my lord. This is the inquiry report that has been referred in the termination order, my lord. Inquiry report at page 39, annexure 7, my lord. The inquiry was initiated, my lord, on the subject, my lord. Submission of inquiry report into the allegation drawn against Sri Makar Singh Narjari, Daden Block Development Officer. So inquiry was, this inquiry report, my lord, departmental proceeding was initiated against the BDO, my lord. And in that proceeding, the petitioner was also called as a witness to adduce his evidence, my lord. Now, my lord, on the basis of this inquiry report, he has been terminated. So it is in clear
This
violation.
inquiry report is dated.
Dated, my lord, at page 39, annexure 7, my lord. And date is date is 21/12/23, page 53. The date is there, my lord. And it has been communicated by letter dated 1/1/2024, my lord.
Where is that letter?
That letter I do not have. In fact, my lord, the inquiry report was also not served upon the petitioner, my lord. Somehow he has collected the inquiry report. Because in this inquiry proceeding, the petitioner, my lord, has been examined as DW1, my lord. DW2 at page 45, my lord. So in this departmental proceeding was not initiated against the petitioner. He has not been issued any show cause notice. The inquiry report was not furnished to him. But on the basis of the inquiry report, my lord, in the violation of the principle of natural justice, he has been terminated, my lord.
So the departmental inquiry was not against you.
No, my lord.
It was against somebody else.
Yes, my lord. That is apparent in page 39. It was against the video, Sri Makar Singh Narjari. In this inquiry proceeding, the petitioner was called for to record his statement.
1 minute.
In first paragraph of the inquiry report also it is apparent, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the page 39, that inquiry, my lord, not against the petitioner, because, my lord, he is a contractual employee. And this is a inquiry, my lord, against the BDO, my lord, and who is appointing authority is the principal secretary, my lord. That is why this is against the BDO. And the termination order, my lord, only referred, my lord, that because of that for the referred the inquiry, my lord. But this is a termination, my lord, he is a contractual employee. Whether, my lord, this is valid or not, I'll satisfy, my lord. At this stage, notice may be issued, my lord.
My lord,
I take instruction.
even if my lord, he is a contractual employee, my lord, he is entitled for notice, my lord, or so cause notice, my lord, because
On
a
document,
contract.
I'll satisfy your lordship.
But
On legal-
Mr. D.B. Bora, let me concentrate. Issue notice. You are appealing for
All the respondents.
PNRD,
Yes,
Mr.
as doctor.
S. Dr. Leonard, Standing Counsel PNRD, enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all
All the
respondents. Notice on respondents are complete, respondents are allowed to file counter. Extra copies you.
My lord, kindly a date may be fixed, my lord, after
Yes.
4 with 3 or
The matter on this third. 6th May.
oblige, my lord.
Oblige.
Item 12. Wait, please, Your Lordship. Look, the petitioner's father was appointed as a Gaon Pradhan, my lord, of Borbukia Dokoha village under Borbhag Revenue Circle, which your lordship will find at page 26, my lord. This is the appointment letter of my father, Sri Obhiram Talukdar, and I continued to serve as a Gaon Pradhan till 31/3/2022, my lord, in that village. Now, my lord, on 26/5/2022, a notification was issued, my lord, for filling up the post. Page number 28, it starts, my lord. Page number 28. A notice dated 26/5/2022, my lord. And at the bottom, your lordship will see clause number 8. It states that the applicant should not be a member of registered political party. And if your lordship kindly turns to the next page, page 29, clause 12, my lord, it says candidates from the family of the Gaon Pradhan will be given priority and opinion from the Mojadar will be considered. An opinion of the Mojadar, your lordship will find at page 33, my lord. Page 33, this is the opinion of the Mojadar, and it says, my lord, to whom it may concern, it is to certify that Sri Pranjit Talukdar, son of Obhiram Talukdar, who was the erstwhile Gaon Pradhan, that is my father, is a permanent resident of village under Borkuriha, Borbhag Revenue Circle and Upper Borbhag Moza of district Nalbari, my lord, and Sri Pranjit Talukdar is the only son of the Gaon Pradhan. When his father was sick, he collects the Mojadar revenue and moreover, he has helped. And at the bottom, it is stated, my lord, he can be considered for the post of Gaon Pradhan. My lord, this is a notification laying down the, my lord, qualification, which your lordship will find at page number 19. It's a notification of the Revenue Department, 10th April 2018, executive instructions, and the relevant portion, my lord, will find at page number 20. Page number 20, my lord, serial number 5. It says, preference shall be given to the family members of the Gaon Pradhan, Gaon Budas, and views of the Mojadar shall be taken into consideration. And clause 8, it says, my lord, he should not be a member of any political party. My lord, despite this clear language in this notification, as well as the, my lord, advertisement, where it has been stated that the priority shall be given, my lord, and the opinion of the Mojadar will be, my lord, obtained. Despite thereof, my lord, the private respondent has been selected on the basis of extraneous considerations, my lord.
On what extraneous
My
consideration?
lord, that I have stated. If your lordship kindly turns to, my lord, page number 8. Page number 8, my lord. Page number 8, my lord, paragraph 11. That to the other shock and surprise of the petitioner on 9/2/2024, the additional district commissioner Gaon Pradhan Nalbari as member secretaries established a select list by way of which the private respondent was selected. Be it categorically stated herein at this stage that the private respondent number 4 is a member of so-and-so party, and he was selected purely and solely and purely on political consideration. It is also the specific case of the petitioner that the private respondent number 4 was selected without giving any consideration to the petitioner's candidature, much less a priority, my lord. Moreover, it is further specific case of the petitioner that during the entire selection process, the views of the Mojadar was not taken into consideration. In fact, my lord, we have a similar case, my lord, which your lordship will find at page 46. Just a few days ago, my lord. It starts at page number, my lord, page number 46. It starts at page number 44. And the relevant portion, your lordship will find at page number 46, paragraph 5. Page 46, paragraph 5, my lord. Considering that the petitioner has made an appeal before the director under Executive Instructions 162C of the Executive Instructions 1886, this writ petition is disposed of by directing the appellate authority, that is the Director of Land Records and Surveys, to consider and dispose of the appeal dated 11/3/2024 within a period of 45 days
from the date of receipt of order. I'm only praying for a similar reading, my lord, because I'll
Have you filed your appeal?
that your lordship will find, my lord, at page number, my lord, 51, my lord. Page number 51. Appeal dated 12/3/2024, my lord. Before the appellate authority, my lord, that is the director. As per, my lord, because the appellate authority has been set, there's a notification 1/2/2024, which your lordship will find at page number 24, my lord. Therein the appellate authority, 162C, page 24, the appellate authority is been determined to be the director of land records and survey, my lord. So I have, my lord, preferred the appeal. Let them dispose of in a time-bound manner, my lord. And your lordship will find I have stated paragraph 18, page number 13, my lord. Page number 13, paragraph 18. I have stated, my lord, that that the petitioner humbly makes to submit that he has a strong prima facie case in his favor as demonstrated, and the balance of convenience is strongly to the best of the knowledge of the petitioner. No appointment order in favor of the respondent number 4 has not been issued. So, my lord, let them determine my appeal in a time-bound manner, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, my past same order is page number 46.
46, my lord.
Heard Mr. A.K. Barua, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Yes, Datta, Learned Standing Council Revenue Department, 4 respondents.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. And Mr. D. Bora, Learned Government Advocate for the respond number 3. Stop. Para. Pursuant to an advertisement, pursuant to a notice dated 26/5/2022, calling for applications issued by the District Commissioner Nalbari for appointment of 101 post of Gaun Pradhan under the revenue circles of Nalbari district. The petitioner applied for the vacant post of Gaun Pradhan, of which village?
My lord, it is, my lord, Borbukia, Dokoha village under Borbhag revenue circle in the district of Nalbari, my lord.
Where is that?
I have stated, my lord, my lord, paragraph 7, my lord.
Of
paragraph 7, page 6, my lord, of the writ petition. It was a combined notice. Paragraph 7, my lord, I have stated the district commissioner Nalbari issued notice by which post of Gapatan of various villages in the district of Nalbari, including Borbukia, Dokoha village, my lord.
Dokoha village.
Under Nalbari district, my lord.
Under Nalbari district. Stop. Where's the results?
Result, my lord, will find, I'll just point out, my lord. The select list is at page 37, my lord. Page 37, page number 37 is the select list, 9/2/2024, and Borbukia Dokoha village. Serial number 2, my lord.
Thereafter, the ADC within brackets Gaun Pradhan, Nalbari, issued the results on 9/2/2024, wherein the name of the private respondent number 4.
4, my lord.
Number 4.
4.
Was selected against
serial number 2, my lord. Page 37.
Borbukia Dokoha. Stop. Being aggrieved, the petitioner filed an appeal before the Director of Land Records and Surveys, Assam, on 12/3/2024. Stop. The case of the petitioner, in brief, is that his father served as the Gaon Pradhan
Gao Pradhan,
of
same village,
Barbukia, Takuha village
till 31/3/2022, my lord.
till 31/3/2022.
And therefore I am entitled to priority, my lord.
Stop. The petitioner was also given a certificate
Page
by
30.
the Gaon Pradhan, by the who?
Mozadar, my lord.
By the Mozadar
Page 33.
of
Upper Borbhug Moza, my lord.
our Upper
Borbhag Moza.
Barbhag Moza, certifying that he is the son of Abhiram Talukdar, and also that he is the son of the that he is the son of the former Gaon Pradhan, and that he can be considered, and that he has helped all the government works at Revenue Circle for the past 4 years, and he may be considered for the post of Gaon Pradhan. Stop. The petitioner also relies on clause 12 of the notice dated 26/5/2022, which provides that candidates from the family of Gaon Pradhan will be given priority, and the opinion from the Mozadar shall be considered. Stop.
Same thing has also been stated in the notification, my lord. Page 20, my lord. 10/14/2018, my lord. Page number 20.
The case of the petitioner is that as there is no time limit prescribed for disposing of the appeal filed by the petitioner under Executive Instructions 162C in the of the notification dated 1/2/2024, by which the amendment to the Executive Instructions under the Assam Land Revenue Regulation 1886 was published. A direction be given to the appellate authority to dispose of his appeal within a specific period of time. Stop. Considering that the petitioner has made an appeal before the Director of Land Records and Survey Assam under Executive Instructions 162C of the Executive Instructions under the Assam Land Revenue Regulations 1886 within bracket amendment 2024, this petition is disposed of, directing the Director of Land Records and Surveys Assam to consider and dispose of the appeal dated 12/3/2024 filed by the petitioner within a period of
45 days.
60 days, election is coming.
I got about
60 days.
within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of a copy of the order of disposal. Stop. With the above revisions and directions, this petition is disposed of.
My lord, if till now no appointment has been made, my lord, let them dispose of.
Before that, you put
Page 47, my lord. Similar interim protection, my lord. Page 47. I have stated to the best of my knowledge.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that till now no appointment order has been made by the respondents to the post of Gaon Pradhan of Barbugia.
Borbhukia, my lord.
Barbugia,
Dokoha village.
Dokoha village under Upper Barbak Mauza.
Upper.
Till date. No, continue. If that be so, the respondents are directed that if the respondent number 4, I Shri
Dupen-
Pranjit Talukta.
Dupendas.
No, Dependas.
Huh?
Customer number
Depen-
4.
Oh, the response number 4. Dwipendas, Shri Dwipendas. Is not appointed till the no appointment order shall be issued till the appeal is disposed of by the applicant
Deeply obliged.
with the above restrictions and directions with the issues and disposed of.
Deeply obliged. Obliged.
Pending item 7.
Yes,
Herein, your lordship, initially the petitioner, he has been recommended for engagement as Zolomitra, your lordship. And thereafter, the petitioner has been participated in the training. And after completion of the training, the certificate has been issued in favor of the petitioner. But in the meantime, on 13/2/2024, again another letter has been issued for selecting of Zolomitra in respect of that scheme where the petitioner has already been recommended, your worship. This is the case, your worship. This 25 is the improved order, but in terms of that, no such selection has been made till date.
Lordship, the engagement of this post, Jal Mitra, it's done on contractual basis, purely contractual basis by a user committee, water user committee. And that committee is, Lordship, formed by Secretary of the Gao Panchayat, Lordship. And PHE department just merely gives the training once Jal Mitra has been selected, Lordship. Therefore, any issue of engagement, non-engagement, that is decided completely by this user committee.
who is the user committee?
A user committee, Lordship, is
User committee, your lordship, is 37, your lordship, kindly see.
here, he they
And
have
the-
been included as respondent 8.
President of the user committee has already been made party respondent here in your lordship.
Why you have implicated him by name?
Yes, your lordship, his name is, by name he has been,
For what reason?
but the president of water user committee is there, but name is written here in here, your lordship.
And Lordship, the ones whose names have been recommended, they have also not been made a party.
No, they are saying that no recommendation has been made.
I have only one, by way of additional affidavit, your lordship, I have brought the proceeding of the Gram Sabha
That we
meeting.
have
your lordship.
seen, that we have seen. Everything is all right except respondent number 8. Why have
Yes,
you?
by name, your lordship.
Are you alleging malafide against him?
No.
Then for what reason he has? How can I issue notice now?
But his name may be, your lordship, deleted, your lordship, because
How can this court delete? You'll have to file an IA.
okay, your lordship, I'll find it.
Let him file a sorry. Mr.
Yeah, Khan, your lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Place for how much time?
On Monday, your lordship,
Place for a week's time. To file an appropriate application for amendment of the cost title. Yes, allowed to list after 1 week.
Alright.
13.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, the petitioners are, my lord, home guards, my lord.
Hmm.
They are appointed by district commandant. And my lord, the home guards are engaged in various institutions of Assam, my lord.
Hmm.
And they are a kind of a support to the additional support to the police, my lord, the local Assam police.
So, my lord, here these petitioners were, my lord, we are agreed by the order of termination issued by the authority under which, my lord, they were engaged. The petitioners were engaged under police commissionerate, my lord. However, the appointing authority is the district commandant home guard. So, my lord, we are agreed by the order of termination at page 45. Wherein, my lord, the petitioners were issued the order of termination by the authority Deputy Commissioner of Police Administration. Now, before issuing this order, my lord, no show cause notice was served upon the petitioners.
How
Now,
many petitioners?
my lord, there are 10 petitioners, my lord. My lord, we are challenging it on two grounds, my lord. First is that without show cause notice, my lord, they could not have terminated. And secondly, my lord, the authority which has issued the order of termination is not the appointing authority, my lord. It is the authority under which the home guards were engaged. Because, my lord, the home guards are engaged in different departments. My lord, will peruse the appointment order, my lord, in respect of honorable petitioner at page 33. Page 33, my lord. The signature at the bottom, my lord, this is the appointment letter. District Commandant Home Guards, my lord, is the appointing authority. Whereas, my lord, at page 45, the impugn order of termination, in fact, no, it cannot be order of termination, my lord. It is an order of disengagement by that particular department. And under the disguise of, my lord, the order of disengagement, my lord, they have been terminated from service, my lord, and
Yes, wait.
Lordship may issue notice at this stage, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. H. Gupta and the council. By this writ petition, petitioners are aggrieved by the order dated 31/7/2023, by which they were terminated on the ground that no show cause notice was issued to them, and the order of termination was issued by was issued by an authority who's not the appointing authority. So, issue notice. Mr. D. Bora, then a government advocate.
all the response.
Address applicants and accepts notice on behalf of all respondents. So, notice and respondents are complete. However, extra copies be furnished, so and so on. Respondents are allowed to file applications. Please, after
My lord, the,
4 weeks.
Lord, the impugn orders are, my lord, 31/7 and 21/8. Now, there are two orders, my lord. The page 45 is the second order, my lord. There are different sets of petitioners
31/7.
and 21/8/23, my lord, page 45. At the bottom, my lord, there is a signature, 21/8/2023. Page 45 and extra 5,
Then you say, they are aggrieved by the orders
my lord.
dated 31
7,
7
23.
and
1/8/23, my lord.
21/8/2023. By which they have been done.
Okay.
14. May I please? Lordship, in this matter, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, before Lordship, my lord, to withdraw the, my lord, the benefits of retention of GOF accommodation, my lord. As per the, my lord, the
To
office,
withdraw
my lord, the benefits of retention of GOF accommodation, my lord. My lord, as per the office memorandum, my lord, 6/10/2022. My lord, earlier occasion, Lordship, in passing, my lord, the order, my lord, not to take any course of action, my lord. The Lordship, what I have annexed, my lord, that is page 112. Impugn order, my lord, notification, my lord, that is page 90, my lord. Annex 10.
Page?
Page 90, my lord. Nine zero, my lord.
9-0.
Lordship.
Yes.
But this notification, my lord, as per the, my lord, the paragraph, my lord, 4, my lord. My lord, what happened, my lord, earlier notification, my lord, that is, my lord, kindly say before that, my lord, page 86, my lord. Page 86, my lord. Page 86, my lord, the earlier notification, that was, my lord, up to 36/2024, my lord. And suddenly, my lord, the respondent number 2, my lord, issued this notification, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, the petitioner approached before the honorable court, my lord. And this honorable court, my lord, earlier occasion, my lord, some protection, my lord, that is, page, my lord, 107, my lord, 107, my lord. 107, my lord. Property part, page, my lord, 109, my lord.
Yes.
This notification, my lord, was issued, my lord, as per the, my lord, rule, my lord. My lord, what say, my lord, page 70, my lord, rule 43, my lord, GPR, my lord, kindly see page 70, my lord.
Page?
Page 70, my lord. 70, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, rule 43, my lord, retention granted on posting to non-family stations, my lord. Retention granted to allottees, including AGMUT cadre officers of GPRA at their last place of posting in case of their posting to different non-family stations for bona fide use of their family members under different guidelines of Government of India issued from time to time will be restricted to a maximum of 3 years. So, my lord, on my lord, page 70, my lord, earlier notification, my lord, that was, my lord, 36/2024, my lord. And suddenly, my lord, the respondent number 2 issued, my lord, the impute notification, my lord, that is page 90, my lord. Then my lord, up to, my lord, 31/3/2023, my lord. So, my lord, earlier occasion, my petition approached before the honorable court, my lord. And last occasion, your lordship also passed, my lord, similar order, my lord, not to take any course of action, my lord. That the petitioners are, my lord, the CFS personnel, my lord. The Central Armed
Yes,
Police.
Gaya? Notice will go.
Notice, my lord. Notice, my lord.
But Mr. Ellen Diang, then the counsel for the petition. Issue notice. MSA Gyan, then it's CDC. Anticipants and accepts notice on behalf of all,
Already responding.
on behalf of all the respondents. Accordingly, notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies of which petition be furnished to the learned counsel applicable for the respondents. List of 4 weeks.
My lord, till then, my lord, not to take
Till
any.
the next suitable date. No course of action shall be taken against the petitioners in terms of the office memorandum dated 6/10/2022.
My problem.
16.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the petitioners before your lordship are, my lord, the battalion of ASA battalion, my lord, and they have been working for more than 16 years in the same rank, same position, my lord. And after long 16 years, government of Assam, my lord, have introduced a scheme, my lord, that is the assured progression scheme, my lord. And by that scheme, my lord, 7,500 and odd personnel have already been promoted, and we have been left out. Now, your lordship will see that we have been putting the same job, my lord, and where the scheme says that whoever completed, my lord, 8 years of continuous service, my lord, they are entitled to get the benefit of that particular scheme for getting promotion. And we have been serving double the period, my lord. There is more than 16 years, and we have been left out. And that's why, my lord, our grievance is this, my lord, that the government say, my lord, why, my lord, what is the progress of ours, my lord. Since, my lord, the others have been given, we have not been given. So at this stage, my lord, may I pray only for notice to the other side, my lord? Let government respond, my lord, on this.
Heard Mr.
M.H. Chaudhary.
M.S. Chaudhary, Learner Senior Counsel, assisted by
Mr. R. Barua.
R. Barrow, Learner Counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Yeah, bring for already. Mr. D. Bora, then Governor, enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Accordingly, notice and respondents are complete. All the extra copies of the respondents are my contact. List up to 4 weeks.
Highly opposed.
17.
Yeah, yeah.
May I have the lordship? My lord, I was appointed as CRPF GD constable. After working more than 4 months, I was declared that I am medically unfit for combatant duty. In that manner, my appointment was cancelled. Thereafter, I filed a writ petition before the Honorable High Court, and this Honorable High Court passed order that on humanitarian ground, his case may be considered because earlier he was found, he should have been provided treatment. In this, there are some observations. Thereafter, my lord, I appeared before various departmental doctors and others. I was found normal. But lastly, my lord, by the improved order, lordship may kindly see page 35.
Yes.
35, operative portion may be seen page 36. Para 8. As the Medical Board of CRPF Guwahati has declared Subrata Sarkar unfit for a competent role in the armed forces, hence his case for appointment to the post of CTGD 2015 in CAPFS cannot be considered and is rejected on medical ground. Now, my lord, everywhere your lordship kindly see page 25. Kindly for a moment, kindly see page 25. This is also their departmental doctor. They found me fit, page 25, fit. Then lordship may
What
kindly see.
date is this? 13/5.
Yes, summary of medical examination, present, absent, so and so, and lastly fit. I was found fit by their departmental doctor. Then lordship kindly see page 28. Third para may be seen. In my opinion, this is an error of judgment to following reasons. As I am family doctor, there was no any history of psychosis, and after brain CT, there is no found any abnormality, and also after examination, he is found fit. So there are controversial reports. However, my lord, at this stage, my lord, I am not so much on combatant duty, but there are judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court that when I appeared in the interview for the CRPF post, I have passed higher secondary examination. Thereafter, I have passed BA examination and also this computer-related various examinations. So, Honorable Supreme Court said in such a situation, when a person has been appointed in a particular post, but thereafter he is found unfit due to different reasons, then he may be provided alternative, so just like clerk, cook, or daftari.
Yes, again.
So that in that view, lordship may kindly dispose of my petition.
Here I have to take instance whether that is possible or not to take in another in same department but another work manner.
So will issue notice?
Yes, or notice may be issued.
MD Mahmood, then the council. Issue notice. MSc Gyan, then the CTC. Enters appearance in accept notice on behalf of all
For all the rest.
the respondents. Accordingly, notice on respondents. Our extra copies. Correspondence are notified. This after 4 weeks.
My lord, may I pray that on that returnable, that matter may be disposed of.
That will see later get the instructions.
No.
Item 18 for admission.
Here, Lordship, Mr. D Nath is appearing in this matter. He is on legs in court number 1, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if I may, pray for a short adjournment. Your Lordship may take it up on Monday, Your Lordship, because today, he on Friday also maybe.
That's some urgency Friday, Your Lordship.
Friday, Your Lordship, because today there is some difficulty.
Friday, Lordship, Friday I
have some difficulty also, except Friday, Lordship, fix any other.
But SK Das, then the council for the petition. As well as Mr. S. Alam,
S Islam,
S. Islam,
correspondent 7.
then the council for the response number 6. On request made on behalf of Mr. D. Nas. The senior governor. List down. Well,
Monday, Your Lordship.
So the interim order may kindly be extended. Interim order pass review. Till the election.
19.
Me please. Petitioners are employee of the Simonto Sankodeva Palakat Mela, Somasper.
Have you filed your affidavit?
May I please, Your Lordship. Lordship, we will file affidavit for respondent number 2 and 4, Lordship.
2 and?
2 and 4, Lordship. We will file. We'll file for one. Lordship, 3 weeks may be given, Lordship. We will file affidavit, Lordship.
You want to file affidavit?
Lordship.
Already filed, my lord, respondent number 4.
2 and 4.
4 is already filed.
4 has already filed.
My lord,
23.
Lordship, respondent number 2, Lordship.
23.
How about the government?
Your Lordship, this is the Sankadev Palakhetra Society. As per number 2 and 3, 2 and 4, Your Lordship. 2 and 4, we have 4 filed by us on behalf of 4. But now they have engaged this private them. So probably they want to file an affidavit on behalf of number 2.
2, Lordship.
Okay. But Mr.
N. Borua.
N. Barua, let me also put a. Mr.
J. Burman, Lordship.
J. Burman,
Lordship.
Learned Council. Appearing for response number 2. Praise for
4 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time to file contract.
That may be fixed, my lord.
Praise the Lord.
My lord.
Please don't. 25th April.
21.
My pleasure, Lordship. On last occasion, the Honorable High Court had instructed on the basis of the IA that was disposed of to include AICT as the respondent number 6. It has been done, my lord. A step has been taken and the registry has also reflected the respondent number 6 as a.
You filed your amended.
Yes,
contract?
yes, my lord.
Anybody appearing for the AICT?
There was one madam.
MSR review was happening the other day.
There was one madam.
You are appearing for?
I'm for the application, Lordship. For respondent 3 and 4.
You're with you. Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes,
have
ma'am.
already filed.
APSC has already filed the affidavit. Now, only the department, that is the PNRD, it is required to file if they want to file, because now since this matter is now lingering from 2020, it is in connection with advertisement of 2020. And this petitioner.
It's a matter of 22.
No, 2020, advertisement of 2020. Matter has been filed in 2022. Advertisement of 2020. And already, my lord, here in this particular matter, what has happened is that the petitioner, he is a diploma holder in construction technology. As well,
PNRD, are you filing affidavit?
My lord, in this matter, my lord, P Nayak, he is appearing, my lord. I think he is on legs, my lord.
Are you filing affidavit?
I'm calling him, my lord. Please,
Lordship, another aspect of the matter, in here, Lordship, perhaps all the appointment has been made.
Yes.
And they would be the affected party.
Yes, my lord, the selection list has been already completed, but when this matter was taken up on the first occasion, already it has been stated that appointment will be outcome of the writ petition. So let us first go through this writ petition. If it is having merit, because this petitioner, when he had applied for this particular post, he was holding a valid diploma in construction technology, which at that time was not considered by the authorities. But later on similar situated candidates appearing for some other department, now in a recent case, which is not to be placed because that matter is being considered by the honorable court only for that particular advertisement, but still the government had taken a stand where it has come that diploma in construction technology could be considered as a part of integral part of civil engineering.
Supposing court finds some merit,
Yes, my lord.
then the appointed candidate will have to meet a party, isn't it?
Yes.
Otherwise, now already third party.
Yes,
interest
that
has
has been
come in.
added.
Third party interest. has
Yes, my
come.
lord. My lord, we have not challenged that selected list. We have only challenged it a rejected list. We have challenged the rejected list, which was
Supposing rejected list goes,
yes. Now the
selected list also will have to go.
no, my lord. In the rejection list, my name was there, but in the selection list, my name was not there. So we had not challenged that selection list because we did not wanted to hamper with their prospects, the selected candidates. But at that point, when this matter had first come up, the honorable.
So see, one thing is this, you don't want to disturb the selected candidates.
Yes, it was in the first contention because.
Supposing we find that you have merit in your writ petition
Yes, my lord.
and that you should be selected.
My lord.
Someone has to make way for you, isn't it?
Yes, that is the law, my lord.
Then,
my lord, in that regard, I need to take instruction from my client regarding this particular challenging the selected list, because in the first instance itself, we had.
that you don't need to take instruction, you have to give instructions.
My lord, definitely.
At the council.
Yes. My lord, now what has happened is that since already it has come to his knowledge of the petitioner that there are still some posts are there. So if any from the department side, if they could consider it, if there is any other post, irrespective of that selection, if there is any other post also is there, because of the fact that when the appointments were made, maybe there could be some vacancy also, which we at this point of time, it is not in the knowledge of the petitioner. But if it could be
we're not going on whether it could be or whether it is there or not.
Man.
If there's some vacancy, you have to come with the submission that there's a particular vacancy, there's so many vacancies. Otherwise, one of the selected candidates will have to make way for you.
Yes, my lord, that is the law.
Whether you want to challenge his selection or not.
No, definitely we'll be challenging his selection.
Then have you met them apart?
Yes, my lord. So that is why, since that has not been provided to me as a counsel, and at the point of time, the matter was also not been taken up for that selected list. It was for the rejection list. So if High Court, Honorable Court permits, then we'll be requiring to make the selected candidates also as a party.
So it's your decision now.
My lord, we'll have to, if that has to be taken into course. We'll file a petition.
Huh?
We'll find we'll implement them also, the selected candidates if required.
It's not a question of whether required or not required.
Man.
You take a decision whether you want to file an IA.
Yes, my lord. We'll again file an IA.
Mr.
WR Mehdi.
WR
Mehdi.
Mehdi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Place for how much time?
After Bihu Bhai.
Place for 2 weeks time to file an appropriate application for implement of necessary parties. Place allowed. List of the 2 weeks.
Yes, my lord. Obliged, madam.
22.
It is better related to compensatory appointment, my lord.
Both parties take our hearing. Then let this matter be admitted and fix up for.
Urgency is there, my lord, because it's a compensatory appointment. And let it come in admission, then after in a Tuesday or Thursday, my lord, can be disposed of, my lord.
Hearing.
Hearing, otherwise it would take time, my lord.
No.
Pleadings are complete.
Everything's are complete, my lord.
Okay, it is submitted by the parties that pleadings are complete.
That will fix, my lord, for the disposal, my lord.
For hearing,
Hearing, my lord, nowadays it is
Yeah,
difficult.
up to you.
You want to issue rule?
They want to version, matter will get delay again. Then, that's my.
Fix a date of hearing.
Then we'll issue rule and fix a date.
That,
for
yeah,
it.
yeah, that they are sorted.
Accordingly issue rule. As all parties are represented, no formal step. Please the matter for hearing on.
On your lordship, eh? Huh?
23rd, 24th, April,
April, yes, yes. 23rd April, my lord, Tuesday, my lord.
23rd.
Item 24.
Yeah, your lordship, we have received the various comments from the ICT, the program officer, ICTS Jorhat, but it is not appropriate, it is not proper. So we have written now to the director to provide the proper instructions in that, your lordship.
How much time?
So lordship, 3 weeks time may be granted.
3 weeks. Already we have taken
Oh, your lordship,
adjournment on
but,
several occasions.
we have received it, but it is not proper.
After you also fix that.
You heard Mr. IS Cycle and the council for the petition. Mr. D. Bora, then the government will be allowed another 3 weeks time to receive instructions. Please start. 29th April.
25.
Your lordship, the matter relates to compassionate appointment. Your lordship, on last occasion has directed the AG to file, the government to file detailed affidavit, your lordship.
Your lordship, we have received the instructions on this 18th. Your lordship, otherwise we'll have to file this on affidavit. Okay. 2 weeks time maybe.
Heard Mr. M.
K. Mira, your lordship.
K. Meral and council for the petition. Mr. D. Bora and government, it's sufficient, he has received instructions and praise for how much time?
2 weeks time maybe.
2 weeks.
A date back, kindly be fixed, your lordship.
Praise allowed. Please call. Yeah, 30 April.
Oblige.
26.
May it please, your lordship. My lord, on the last occasion, your lordship was pleased to grant some time to my learned friend for obtaining instructions. He represents the state level recruitment commission.
My lord, we have obtained instruction, my lord, kindly make a.
My lord. If I may submit, my lord, if my learned friend is pleased to file an affidavit, bringing on record the instruction, it will be helpful for the petitioners also.
Yes, my lord, we will file it.
Let me see. But Mr.
H.
I'll
Pura-
issue-
H. Pura Gohain, my lord.
H. Bora Goen and the council for the petition. Mr. D.K. Roy. Then the standing council Seba. Praise for how much time?
My lord, 1 week or 2 weeks, my lord.
Praise for 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Praise alone. Least after 2 weeks.
I'm highly obliged, my lord.
27.
My lord, may I just make a small prayer? I'm sorry to intervene, my lord. There is another matter in which my learned friend appeared just, my lord, 2 days back, my lord. In which, my lord, he had again sought for time there also. So can it be fixed along with that matter? Because there the matter is fixed on 26/04/2024.
Yes,
It will be convenient for my lords also.
Okay.
On
This
26.
After 2 weeks. Along with WBC.
Yes, my
number?
lord, I'm giving the number, my lord. WPC number 2829 of 2023, my lord.
2829 of.
I'm highly obliged, my lord.
May I please your lordship? This matter pertaining to my lord, selection and appointment, physically handicapped person in ONGC, my lord. Lordship, he has applied as per advertisement, whatever criteria was required, he has fulfilled it. And thereafter he was selected, given, he appeared interview, he got through, then he was document verified. Thereafter, a further appointment was also is given. But when he goes for joining, he's not been allowed only because of this medical formalities required. Because as we all services, we go medical formality. That particular doctor is saying that I am physically handicapped, certificate given up to 20 year of 25 below. Was 25 next year. That is why until and unless we bring permanent, will be not allowed. That is the point. Then I have given one undertaking, okay, I'll request the medical board if they can go for further give me permanent or what. But medical board says, no, we are not having that is provision. Go for difference. Thereafter, as this post is to go out, then I approach this honorable board. Now our honorable board passed an order, issuing notice, and thereafter keeping one post vacant. That is the situation, my lord. Now, last occasion, my lord, your lordship will remember, as lordship was inclined to pass an order directing, not directing, asking them to, you give appointment up to 25 because their certificate is there. Then he has requested to take, there's some, I'll take instruction on that point, my lord. And he has filed an affidavit. Now, affidavit, he is saying two things. I'll come in details. Two things. He's saying the certificate which was issued to me just before 3 days of advertisement. Meaning thereby, what I'm understanding, that 3 days before I have received, not later, my lord. That is also a question. So next point he is telling, under provision of definition, that temporary, it is temporary not allowed. But where advertisement clearly says, under what provision certificate is required, my lord.
Then you'll have to file a reply to this.
No, not required, my lord. If the file is not required, this record itself says, why affidavit, my lord? What I reply on that point? Because nothing like this, which the record is available. And now my friend is also another insisting that you go for fresh medical. I'm ready to go. Provided medical department allows, again I'll go for fresh. Putting the dish. Yes, if having put out, I'll go. But whether it will be accepted by learned friend of health department, because there's a certificate issued by board, not by single man. One board is given. Because here, my lord, no affidavit reply is required here, my lordship. Or if your lordship, because today Monday, if your lordship fixed tomorrow for hearing and time matter, I'm ready for that. But it should be finished up because man, he's suffering, as he's suffering physically handicapped.
Yeah, what do you say, Das?
My lord, here, my lord, this certificate at page 29. My lord, this appears to be issued by the medical authority. It is said that medical authority. But now, my lord, as per the scheme of there are under three, at least 3 persons, they should sign the affidavit, my lord. And this affidavit, my lord, just the certificate, my lord, issuing authority is defined under the guideline, my lord, for issuing the certificate.
Which?
My lord, flag number C of our affidavit, my lord, para 9. Flag number C, my lord, the affidavit with the instruction I have submitted, my lord. My lord, under this guideline for purpose of assessing extent of specified disability in a person, including under the Right of Persons with Disability Act 2016, my lord, medical authority for this purpose has been defined, my lord. 20.4.4, my lord. So, my lord, there, my lord, of this 141. Disability 2016.
The test. 2006, disability. My lord, hard of hearing, my lord.
Take this. এখন দি দিম। এনেকে পেজটোৱে দি দে প্লাছ
My lord, this guideline lordship will find in this act, my lord, at page 115. Now, lordship, this guideline was framed under section, my lord, 56 of the act, my lord. Now,
rule কিমান?
Now, my lord, page 138 of the guideline, the hard of hearing, what is said, my lord? Roman 3A, hearing impairment, deaf and hard of hearing. 20.1.b, my lord. Hard of hearing means person having 60 decimal to 70 decimal loss hearing in speech frequency in both the ears. In the page 138, my lord. So 20.1.b, loss of hearing in this specification in both the ears. The doctor in ONGC, while assessing him, my lord, found hard of hearing in only one ear. And moreover, this medical authority kindly say 141. Who will assess them that hard of hearing, my lord? 20.4.4. Medical authority, my lord, medical superintendent or medical officer or civil surgeon or any other equivalent authority as notified by the state government shall be the head of the certification medical authority for the purpose of certification of hearing disability and speech language disability. The certificate medical authority shall comprise medical superintendent or chief medical officer or civil surgeon or any other equivalent authority. He is number one, my lord. Next, my lord, ENT specialist. And next, my lord, one specialist audio speech language pathologist or nominated by the medical superintendent or chief medical officer or surgeon, other equivalent authority as notified by the state government. So, my lord, therefore, this certificate was required to be issued under this guideline by this assessing by this medical board. And this certificate, my lord, appears not to be issued by this authority. And therefore, my humble submission under this page 29, my lord, of the writ petition, lordship. And this certificate also says, my lord, this is temporary. That is another argument from our side, my lord. Temporary.
See, a temporary was issued up to 25/10/2025.
Yes.
Drafted, they'll have to have another examination
My lord.
after 25/10.
My lord,
When they
it was-
find that, that the disability has worsened or is not improving,
My-
then they will issue the permanent disability certificate.
Yes, my lord.
My lord.
That is the issue.
Yes.
My lord,
As of now, it's only a temporary
yes,
disability.
temporary disability.
So
That
how can you,
My lord, in such circumstances, my lord, issuance of certificate, my lord, this temporary, just 1 second, my lord. Receive another provision, my lord, 136 of this act, my lord. Nature of certificate, 19.2, my lord. The nature of certificate must be permanent in nature. Kindly say, my lord, from the guideline 19.2. Nature of certificate, the medical authority will decide whether disabled certificate should be temporary or permanent. The disability shall be permanent to be certified. So certification, my lord, if they found it is permanent, then they will issue a permanent certificate under rule 18(1). And in case they found this is temporary, they cannot issue the certificate. And even any certificate issued having temporary, he have the concession or like that, my lord, in railway or somewhere, in transit, transportation. And now, my lord, by virtue of this certificate, why we allow him to appear in the interview? My lord, it is the scheme of the advertisement. We have very clear categorically stated in the advertisement that while you apply, you are to confirm with the documents which are required for this purpose. So page 31 is the advertisement. There we have given the notice and the requirement of certificate, my lord, is as per this act. This is also specifically mentioned page 41, my lord. 18, Roman 18, my lord. Roman 18, my lord. For person with benefit disabilities, certificate of disability should be issued by the notified medical authority in the format prescribed in the right of persons with disability rules 2017. The minimum
Yes,
disability.
Mr. Barrow, when do you want,
No, hear me, Lord, only one line, because I want to clarify, your lordship fix any date, any hearing date will be better. But here, lordship, my learned friend is saying that my certificate only shown that page. Why he is not saying the previous 2 pages, lordship
no,
may.
see, if you are not taking up this matter
No,
today,
yes, my lord.
there's
Then,
no wasting time.
no, then,
My lord, I may suggest like this, my lord. Let him go before the medical authority as prescribed under the guidelines, my lord. Because these are the authority, they has to assess him. If they found, my lord, and then on the basis of the certificate.
But Mr.
Yes.
Barrow, learned counsel for petitioner. Also had Mr. DK Das.
DK Das.
DK Das.
Mal.
Then at standing council ONGC. Upamanya, you also appealing?
Yes, Lordship, for respondent number 5,
And
pending
Mr.
council held.
Mr. N. Upamanya.
D. Upamanya.
D. Upamanya, then the standing council health department for the response.
Lordship may take on 9th, my lord.
9 will be, that week there will be some difficulty, it's a motion week.
Then,
We'll have to go to the 23rd.
like,
Mobilize, my lord.
always.
Item 28.
That is on hearing day, my lord.
Yes.
The endeavor we made, my lord, to finance.
Lordship, here in this matter, I need 2 weeks time to obtain my instruction.
28. Reply?
Yes.
No, today there was, they were about to give the affidavit in reply.
Opposition.
Your good time, please.
Kanyakumari City of God. KK City of God.
But MS, so. But it is on request made by Mr. N. Upamanya. D, sorry, D. Upamanya, and the standing council,
Health, Lordship.
health department, how much time?
Lordship, after vacation, Lordship, 2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time is allowed to file counter affidavit. Minister after 2 weeks.
Item 30. Lordship, here I am appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Gogoi, Lordship. He is on Lakes, Lordship, in court number 1. Can it be taken any other day, Lordship? Petitioner is also.
None appears for the petitioner on request made on behalf of Mr. K. Gokul, then a CGC.
Yes,
List the matter after
Lordship, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
31.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, kindly page on the last order, Lordship.
Yeah, Bora, have you received this?
My lord, thing is that, my lord, there is no instruction as such, my lord. In fact, after going to the entire case, my lord, as on date, my lord, he doesn't have a criminal case. There was a FIR initially, subsequently in the charge sheet, his name has not been there in the charge sheet.
Lordship, in FIR, my name is also there, Lordship. In charge sheet,
Charge sheet had not been there.
I have not
been-
charge sheeted, Lordship. And court below order also, Lordship. There is no cognizance taken against me, Lordship. And Lordship, Superintendent of Police Lordship issued a certificate, Lordship. No criminal antecedent against me, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to page number 26, Lordship. Certificate, Lordship. And a 43, Lordship. Kindly come to page number 43, Lordship. Lordship, 43. And accept 10.
Yes.
Got it, Lordship. This is to certify that the criminal and antecedent in respect of Firdadul Ahmed, son of so of village Mokrapara, so and has been verified by OC Kokrajhar Police Station. As per the verification report, nothing criminally adverse has been found, Lordship. Nothing criminally adverse has been found against him. This reference to Kokrajhar PS case number GD number 576 dated so. This verification is valid for Lordship. Nothing criminal adverse has been found, Lordship. And Lordship, come to
This verification is for 3 months only.
yes, Lordship. And kindly come to charge sheet, Lordship. Page number 30, Lordship. CS dated and operative part is Lordship. Page number 33, Lordship.
Yes.
And top of the page, Lordship, not charge sheeted, Lordship. And A2, Firdadul Sheikh, Lordship. Petitioner also not charge sheeted, Lordship.
Initially, there is a FIR that ultimately they are not just charge sheeted. As on date, there is no case again.
And Lordship, kindly come to court below order, Lordship. Page number 44, Lordship. And operative part is Lordship, page number 47, Lordship. On perusal of the case record, CD, there appears prima facie case under section so and so of IPC against the accused person, namely Rejakul Mondol, Imran Shah Ahmed, alias Bulbul, Fatima Bibi, and Asma Bibi, Lordship. Here in this orders, Lordship, we are not, no cognizance taken against me, Lordship.
There is no charge sheet against him. Ultimately, he doesn't have.
Can I make that? Can I record your statement?
Yes, my lord, it can be recorded, my lord. At the same time, my lord, the charge sheet itself make it clear, my lord. There is no case against him. Charge sheet has not been filed. He is the person who has not been charge sheeted. So that in that fact of the matter, my lord, he has no criminal case against him. The page number 33 makes it clear.
What is the impugned order?
Lordship will find it page number.
Impugned order,
57.
Lordship, kindly
Start from 15.
come to page number 57, Lordship.
After
And operative part is Lordship, page number 58, Lordship. Last paragraph, Lordship. Therefore, in view of the above and until and unless the entire issue is examined and decided by the competent authorities, in Govt of Assam, no order regarding permission of withdrawal of first salary would be issued against Mr. Firdadul Ahmed, alias Firdadul Sheikh, from the secretary, and the CSD shall submit a status report and when any development occurs in the matter in future for further necessary action, Lordship.
So there's no criminal case pending against
there
him.
is no criminal case.
Can I record that?
Not so. Charge sheet makes it clear, my lord.
So that's
Yeah,
why
That's why, my lord. That's why.
I'll record that you are making a submission that there's no criminal
As
case.
for the
pending.
charge sheet fabric, there is no criminal.
Okay. We'll come after 5 minutes. You are appointed as veterinary
Appointed.
field assistant
Veterinary field assistant.
and posted at
Posted at Lordship Kuhiyar, Kalaigaon Lordship, in Udalguri district.
okay, heard Mr.
Annex sir on Lordship appointment.
Heard Mr.
A. Alim Sheikh Lordship on behalf of Mr. M.U. Mondal.
M.U. Mondal,
A. Alim Sheikh Lordship.
A. Alim Sheikh, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Bora, learned standing counsel BTC. For the respondents,
4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6. Mr. D. Bora,
One.
on top we put Mr. Violin Governor Advocate for the respond number 4 or 1. How about animal husbandry? MS MM Kotaki, learned standing counsel animal husbandry for the respondents 2 and 3. And Mr. S. Bora, learned standing counsel BTC for the respondents 4,
2, 7, 6.
4, 5, and 6. Stop.
Appointment page number 15 Lordship.
On the recommendation of the Central Recruitment Board, within brackets CRB, comma, BTC. The petitioner was appointed as veterinary field assistant
Page number 20 Lordship. 64. Real number.
and posted at AIC. To here, Kuchi, correct?
Yes.
Under the establishment of STVO, comma, Weregaon of Udalguri district. Subject to receipt of satisfactory police verification report. By an order dated 27 January 2021. Stop. After that, what happened?
After the Lordship, he joined on Lordship. Page number 22 Lordship.
The petitioner accordingly joined. On when?
Lordship.
Page 22 on 1 to 23.
1 to 23 Lordship.
On 1 to 23. Stop. After the Superintendent of Police, comma, DSD, Kokraja, by a communication dated 14/3/2022, addressed to the Director Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. Informed. No, furnished the verification report in respect of the petitioner. Stating that Kokrachar PS case number 536/2022 under section 148/147/407/307/302/506 IPC is registered against the petitioner and is still under investigation. Correct?
Investigation.
It is still under investigation.
Lordship, charge sheet has been filed, Lordship.
No, that's what you have stated, isn't it? Page annexure 3. That was the police verification report.
Yes, yes.
Stop. Then what happened?
Subsequently, Lordship, charge sheet has been filed, Lordship. No charge sheet has been filed, Lordship, against the petitioner, Lordship.
Draft. The investigating authority
Page number 30, Lordship.
filed charge sheet in
Page 30, Lordship.
the
Page 30, Lordship. Operative 33, Lordship.
Kokrachar PS case number 536 of 2022. Stop.
Lordship, in page number 30, Lordship, you see the charge sheet number 122 dated 14/5/2020.
File charge sheet
Serial number 2. Charge sheet number.
number 122, huh?
One.
File charge sheet number 122 dated 14/5/2023. In Kokrachar PS case number 526 of 2022. Against 4 accused persons. Stop. However, no charge sheet was filed against the petition. Where the district court
Order dated, Lordship. Page number 47, Lordship. Cognizance, Lordship. No cognizance.
So Lordship, before that, page number 41, the Superintendent of Police has also given the report to Director Elmin Husbandry that that petitioner had not been sent for trial.
Yes. The superintendent of police, DSP, Kokrachar, Assam, by a communication dated 35/2023, addressed to the Director, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, PTC Kokrachar, also stated and furnished the verification report in respect of the petitioner, stating that the petitioner is one of the accused persons named in the FIR in connection with Kokrachar PS case 536 of 2022. And the investigation has been completed by the IO. However, the petitioner is not sent up for trial. Stop.
Page number 47, Lordship.
This is not required.
This is not
since
required
you have
because he has not been sent to trial and definitely court will not take it.
Not with. But the petitioner is aggrieved by the. It is an order.
57, next to 1457.
57, Lordship. Impugn order.
No, this is an order or communication.
This is just a communication, Lordship.
It's aggrieved by the communication dated 10th November 2023.
57.
Written by the Secretary, BTC, Kokrachar, and addressed to the Director, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, BTC, Kokrachar. Stating that
58, last para, Lordship.
till the entire issue is examined and decided by the competent authority in the government of Assam. No order regarding permission for withdrawal of first salary will be issued against the petitioner. Stop. Para. It is the case, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that though the name of the petitioner has been named in the FIR, he has not been charged with it and not sent up for trial. And therefore, which was also not sent up for trial. Stop. This matter is also highlighted by the Superintendent of Police, Pokrachar, in the communication dated. Where is that order that he has not been sent up for trial?
Page number 41.
41, Lord Lordship.
Order dated
The
in
communication dated
page 41. Okay. Order letter dated 35/2022.
the communication dated 35/2023. Wherein the Superintendent of Police, DSP, Pokrachar, stated that addressed to the Director, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, stated that the petitioner has not been sent up for trial and investigation is completed. Stop. In that view of the matter, no. Further, no charge sheet has also been filed against the petition. Stop. In that view of the matter, the withholding of withdrawal of first salary of the petitioner is
With
illegal,
effect from Lordship 1/8/23, Lordship.
with effect from 1/8.
2023, Lordship.
Where can I find that?
Lordship,
Where's the page?
page number, Lordship, in Lordship, synopsis, Lordship.
No, he has joined, date of joining, madam.
Date of joining,
Is
Lordship.
1/2/23.
So the first salary only,
First salary.
first salary would not be issued to the petitioner. Is prima facie illegal. And the same deserves to be indifferent. Stop. Para. Mr. S. Bora and the Standing Council BTC submits that there's no charge sheet has been filed against the petitioner. And the petitioner has not been sent up for trial. There will be no impediment on the part of the respondents to release the first salary of the petitioner in accordance with law. That's all
But
your,
the authority will work out the when he has joined, then release the salary.
he however submits that the authorities may be permitted to work out the dates,
Salaries and all this dues.
to work out the salaries and release the same from the date of joining to his post. Stop. Para. Recording the submission made by the learned Standing Council BTC. And also on consideration of the fact that no charge sheet has been filed against the petitioner. And the petitioner has not been sent up for trial, which is further substantiated by the letter of the Superintendent of Police, DSP Kokrachar Assam, dated 35/2023. This court is of the considered opinion that withholding of the first salary of the petitioner is prima facie illegal. Stop. Accordingly, the impugned communication dated
10/11/23.
10/11/2023, written by the Secretary, PTC, Kokrachar, and addressed to the Director, Animal Husbandry and
Animal.
Veterinary Department, PTC, Kokrachar, set aside and cost. Stop. The respondents are directed to forthwith calculate the salary, the salary due to the petitioner and pay the same within a period of
Within the period of 2 months. Sir.
2 months from the date of receipt of a copy of the order of this court. With the above observations and directions, district petitions.
33 to 39.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Matters lordship relate to retention of water in New Delhi by those officers who have been transferred to the northeastern region. By an order passed by the Supreme Court on 2nd of January this year. Some matters in Delhi are matter in the CAT, and there are a few matters in the Guwahati High Court. They have been transferred to this court. Your lordship, so far as item number 33 and 39 are concerned, these appear to be matters from Delhi. What? I see. 33, lordship, I do not have any papers with me. And CAT, my friend appeared.
38 from CAT, it has been transferred.
Lordship, I have asked him for the papers, he'll supply me. If your lordship will take up all these matters after around,
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
After
Let
receipt
it
of
be,
paper, we'll.
Because one.
I will
yes,
appear in item number 33 for the petitioners, madam.
It is 33.
The transfer matter from the Delhi High Court. But there's only one prayer. Madam. In the Delhi High Court, we were under an interim protection. In the other writ petitions, my lord, this honorable court has also granted interim protection. Even in the matter from the CAT also, there is an interim protection. That interim protection will be made applicable to us also in this case. Because we enjoyed it when we were there in Delhi, and the others in the Guwahati High Court are enjoying it.
Where's the interim protection?
Now that,
Yes, my lord, item number 34, my lord.
Lordship,
Give me item 34.
Item number 34.
Anyway, there's not record, heard the learned counsel for the petitioners. Upon request made by Mr. R.K.T. Chowdhury, learned Deputy Solicitor General of India. When do you want list after?
4 weeks, my lord.
Subject to they giving me the papers. Let it be after 4 weeks, lordship.
List the matter after 4 weeks.
In the meantime, lordship, the petitioners will supply me the copy.
Learned counsel for the petitioners shall furnish
There is another case.
copies. Petitioners in all the writ petitions shall furnish copies to the learned GSTI. Within
Well, 30
1 week,
Within a week, yes.
within a period of 1
Those
week.
who have not given.
Yes.
Those who have not given.
33 and 39.
The interim order passed in the other writ petitions shall also cover WBC number 1211/2024
and my lord, 1199.
and
1199.
WBC 1198 of 11
1199, my lord.
1199 of 2024.
1198 also, item 38. Three.
Item 39 and 38.
Let it be all the matters, lordship.
Lord.
Instead of
They shall also cover WBC, you see on top that 1211 of 2024, 1198 of 2024, and 1199 of 2024 till the next week.
Mark of
I'm obliged.
इसके सेवा अरे ब्रिजेस याद है तो Okay.
May do, Lordship. Lordship, in these cases covered by your Lordship's order, Lordship. This is a case against selection of
Lordship
possible.
had a similar matter, Lordship had already disposed WPC 910 of 2024. That recruitment process of staff selection commission, those persons unreserved categories person, but they have secure, they are reserved, but they secure more marks than the last general lordship. The similar line, it can be disposed of.
Where's the order?
That order, Lordship, presently I do not have, but it may be taken after some time, Lordship. I have asked my junior to bring that order. He is on the way. Thank you.
42.
Here, your lordship, we have not yet received any instructions. Some more time is required.
A similar pair, my lord. Heard Mr. B.B. Boral and the counsel for the petitioner. Mr. J. Antique, Leonard Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, appearing for the respondents 1 to 4. And Mr. D. Bora, Learning Government. For the respondents, 5 to 12. Jointly praised for how much time?
Lordship,
4 weeks, Lordship.
They are all officers are in the
election duties.
and different district commissioners.
Praised for 4 weeks time to receive instructions and file a. Praise the Lord.
But on the next day, no, you positively now election time, your Lordship, they are busy with that.
District commission 4 weeks.
Item 43 for orders.
This matter will like to file an affidavit. Some very bulky instructions have come in. And that department, the person I'm representing, he has retired, my lord, from the post. A new incumbent has come in, my lord.
Lordship, the case of 2019. Lordship, kindly see the first order at 26/7/23.
That we have seen, but
Yes.
then if the new incumbent has come, then you'll have to implement him also.
Lordship, within a month or 2 months, Lordship, they will be changing, Lordship, but
No,
their
no, no,
instructions, Lordship, are on record,
No,
Lordship. What they,
council. When there's a new council,
Yes.
a new officer,
official, Lordship.
are you not supposed to implement him?
Lordship, necessarily, the
You
general.
don't want to implement him.
Lordship, if Lordship permits me, I am ready to implement.
I'm not giving up.
Lordship, there is
permission.
categorical order,
It is your duty
Lordship.
to implement the incumbent who is
Lordship,
presently
I am
holding.
ready to implement, Lordship, no issue. Thing is that, Lordship, with 19, Lordship, they are just replacing their incumbent, Lordship. and I am suffering.
That part we know.
Yes,
That part we know. But then why can't you implement the new
Lordship,
incumbent?
there is no Lordship problem to implement the person, Lordship. Thing is that, Lordship, after 1 week or 2 weeks, they will, Lordship, again, Lordship, retired or Lordship, somewhere replaced, they're promoted. I will implement, Lordship, is so fine, Lordship.
Mr.
J. Korita, Lordship.
General Counsel for petitioner to praise for how much time?
2 days, Lordship.
Praise
In-
for weeks time. To file an appropriate application for implementation of necessary parties. Praise the Lord.
All
It's up to 1 week.
Item 44.
My lord, non-compliance of a deliberate and willful violation of our order, my lord. There is an undertaking given by Mr. Dean Nath.
Who is Dinath?
On the last day, his name was also ordered.
He's a busy advocate, so.
Some other day, your Lordship, because today he is somewhat preoccupied in some matter in court number 1. So it has been going on since the morning. So if not, if on Friday or tomorrow, your Lordship.
Friday will have.
Friday.
Monday will have.
Monday.
Monday, your Lordship.
But Mr.
P. Chakraborty.
General Counsel for petitioner on request made on behalf of Mr. D. Nath, General Counsel for the respondents 1 and 2. This the matter again on 8.
My lord.
45.
Well, please, Lordship, here we have complied with the court's order, my lords. In page number 45, Lordship, the observation was there, my lords.
Where is that page number 45?
Page number 45, my lord. That is in the contempt petition, my lord. Contempt petition only. So I have a copy of the speaking order also that has been passed.
Have you got a copy?
Lordship, I can provide a copy. As per my instruction, the department had communicated the same to the petitioner also. So I've just informed my learned friend also regarding that. So if the department has rejected the claim,
We can close the contempt. You can challenge this.
Well, Lordship.
But Mr.
MS Mondal.
MS Mondal, Learned Counsel for the petition. Stop, Mr. J. Talia, Learned Counsel appearing for the.
sole contempt, Lordship, respondent number 1.
For the sole
Respond-
respondent.
respond.
As furnished in a speaking order dated 2nd April 2024. Issued by the Secretary to the Governor of Assam, Finance within bracket EC Roman 2 Department. Wherein it is stated that the proposal of the petitioner cannot be considered for recommendation for granting of the minimum pay scale. Stop. But on perusal of the said speaking order dated 2nd April 2024. This court is of the considered opinion that substantial compliance has been made by the respondent. Accordingly, this contempt petition is closed. The speaking order dated 2nd April 2024 is placed on record.
46.
Pursuant to your lordship order dated my lord 29/3/2024. And the petitioner submitted all documents on 26/3/2024, my lord. Till today they did not do it, my lord.
29,
29/3/2024. Your lordship order, my lord.
29/3.
My lord. 29/3/2024.
She had given a direction for the petitioner to go to the department and for finalization of pension, the petitioner was supposed to go to a department and give the necessary documents. So pursuant to your lordship's direction.
15/3.
15/3, na? My lord.
Has the petitioner approached?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, so I.
Submits on my lord 26/3/2024.
26, so lordship.
All documents are submitted.
Yes, lordship may fix a date after the due vacation in the meantime.
Mr. N. Bora, the counsel for the petitioner, submits that in terms of the order dated 15/3/2024, the petitioner has approached the office of the respondents 1 and 2 on
On 26/3/2024.
26/3/2024. Para Mr. A. Chalia, the counsel for respondent 1 and 2, pressed for some time to enable him to receive instructions. Grace allowed list.
The first week of May, lordship, any date.
List on.
No, my lord, before that, my lord.
Lordship, after the due vacation, any date.
I think, my lord,
1st May.
first week.
47.
May please, your lordship. My lord, so far this service report, there are two office notes, my lord, on 22nd November 2023 for respondent number 7 and 1/4/24 for respondent number 6, my lord. Service is completed, my lord, in respect of the respondent number 6 and 7. And
One. But Mr. Yashikal and the counsel. Peruse the proceedings of the law of the court dated 22/11/2023 and 1/4/2023. Accordingly, the notice on the respondents 6 and 7 shall be deemed to be complete. How many respondents are there?
my lord, up in petition, my lord, up to 6, my lord. Up to 6, no, my lord, 7. 7.
However,
None
appears for the respondents 6 and 7 today. In the interest of justice, is the matter for in the admission column.
My lord, I have filed an IA number 126/23, my lord, for implementing respond number 8 as a party, my lord. My lord, I am serving under mission, National Health Mission, and Director Health Mission is in party, necessary party, my lord. So, my lord, he may be implemented, my lord. IA 126.
Anybody appearing for NHA?
Correspondent number 8, your lordship.
Do you have any objections?
No.
But in the IA, right, heard Mr. A.R. Shittal and counsel for the applicant. By this application, the applicant is praying for improvement. of the mission director, NHM Assam as respondent number 8 in WBC number 1474 of 2023. Stop. This court has perused the post shown in the present application and is satisfied. And accordingly, the brief and pleading is allowed. IS disposed of. In the main petition, you cancel that order, huh? The police have passed it. In view of the order passed today in so and so, IA number so and so, let the mission director NHM Assam be included as party respond number 8. Stop. MS.
ADAS.
ADAS, then the standing council, NHM, enters appearance on behalf of respond number 8. You want some time
Yes, Your Lordship.
and praise for how much time?
3 weeks time, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time to file contract. Stop. Para. This court has also perused the proceedings of the Lawazima court. Dated 22/11/2023 and 1/4/2023. The notice of the on the respondents 6 and 7 shall be deemed to be complete. So, petitioner is directed to file an amended course that on that will be on top, huh? Just before this court has shall an amended course title within 1 week. Release the matter after 3 weeks.
Develop.
48. Make the lordship.
Lordship, the respondent number 4 has been retired from service, my lord. So I'm praying for this, his name may be struck off and
You'll have to file an IA.
my lord.
Mr.
V. Kumar, my lord.
V. Kumar,
V.
V.
Kumar,
Kumar and the counsel for the petitioner. Place for 1 week time,
my lord.
1 week time to file an appropriate application for correction of the cost time. Praise the Lord. List of the 1 week.
My lord.
49.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in compliance of order dated 01/3/24, the petitioner has filed an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, petitioner has taken steps through newspaper, Lordship. After taking steps, Lordship, some of the private respondents have provided us the wakalatnama, Lordship. We are going to file the wakalatnama, Lordship.
But Mr.
S. Difusa appearing on behalf of M. Chaudhary, Your Lordship.
S. Diffusal and a counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Chowdhury will be counsel for the petition. Stop. Peruse the affidavit dated 28 March 2024. Filed by the petitioner to show service of notice on the respondents 48 and 10 to 21 by substitute service. On perusal of the same comment, the affidavit is accepted. Stop. Mr.
J. Burman, Lordship.
J. Burman.
Lordship, private respondent from 4 to 8, 11 to 14, 17, 19, 20 and 21.
J. Burman, then the council. Enters appearance on behalf of the respondents 4 to 8.
4 to 8,
Comma.
11 to 14,
11 to 14.
17, 19 to 21.
17, 19 to 21. And praise for how much time?
Lordship, we'll file.
When you are filing your Bhagaratnama?
By next week, Lordship.
Praise for weeks time to file Bhagaratnama. Praise the Lord. List after 1 week.
Bless you, Lordship.
Item 50.
May it please,
Yes.
Worship, kindly first take up IA 985.
What is this IA?
This I am allowed for a strike of petition number 128 because during the pendency, they have been appointed as notary by the central government. My lord. So they maybe strike of 128. Paragraph 4, my lord, I have stated. And also annexed order, page 29. They have challenged the appointment of notaries appointed by the state government, but in the meantime, by page 29, my lord.
One.
Paragraph 4, page 25, I have stated.
So you want to have the petitioner 128
Strike.
name struck off?
Strike. 128.
How many petitioners are here?
9 petitioners.
So only one will remain.
One will remain. Petitioner number 9.
Okay, heard Mr. M.R. Kandakar, then the counsel for the petition, for the applicants. By this application, the applicants who are the petitioners number 1 to 8 in WPC number 7533 of 2023 are bring for deletion of the names as petitioners in the said petition on the ground that during the pendency of the writ petition,
Are you responding to text?
the central government, the government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, of Legal Affairs, notaries said has appointed them as notaries in the state of Assam. Stop. Mr. D. Majumdar, then additional Advocate General appearing for the
State respondent.
state respondents.
One.
There's no objections. Stop. This court has also perused the question at para 4 of the present application and is satisfied. Accordingly, the prayer for deletion of the name of the petitioners 1 to 8 is allowed. I is disposed of in the main writ petition and we have the order must be in I number so and so. Let the name of petitioners 1 to 8 be deleted from the cost title in the present writ petition. Petitioner is directed to file an amended cost action within
1 week.
1 week from least after 1 week.
In my lord, now main case, my lord, in main service is completed, main case method. In writ
That
petition.
will see, first you file your amended cost title. Mr. H. K. Das, then the standing counsel, Guwahati High Court, appears for respondent.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 5, 7, 10, 13 and 20.
And Mr.
M. Ahmed.
M. Ahmed.
5, 7, 10, 13 and 20.
Okay.
এইটোৰ কপি দিয়া নাই আপোনাক যিটো দিছে 985 নহয় স্যাৰ এইটো 985 নহয় এইটো কিমান এইটো স্যাৰ নাম্বাৰে হোৱা
নাই
51 এইটো স্যাৰ আৰু এটা
Direction at is 21.
Notice has been served.
Yes, madam. The respondent has appeared.
Lordship, my senior counsel is in legs in another court. Can we take the matter after some time?
After some time, this is the last matter.
At 2 p.m.
Mr. Dinner is in legs in another court.
2 p.m.
Coming item 40.
You belong to which category?
OBC.
Advertisement dated?
Same lordship.
Okay, heard Mr. R. Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard MS B. Sharma. Learned CGC for all the respondents. Para. The petitioner belongs to the OBC category and has participated in a selection process for recruitment to the post of constable within bracket GD, correct?
Yes.
In the Central Armed Police Forces. Pursuant to an advertisement dated 21/7/2018. Stop. The petitioner. No, cancel. Though the petitioner belongs to the reserve category candidate, he secured more marks than some of the selected general category candidates in the selection process. However, appointment order was not issued to the petitioner on the ground that he had availed of the chest and height relaxation prescribed for all candidates of the state of Assam. Stop. Therefore, the stand of the respondent is that the petitioner could have been considered only for reserved category and not for general category. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that this case is covered by the order dated 5/1/2024, passed in WBC number 7588 of 2023. Stop. Para. MS B. Sharma and the CGC also fairly submits that the present case is covered by the order dated 5/1/2024, passed in WBC number 7588 of 2023. Stop. She also submits that the petitioner can be appointed against general category post, provided his marks are higher than the last selected general category candidates. Stop. Para. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and on perusal of the order dated 5/1/2024, passed in WBC number 7588 of 2023. This court finds that the present case is a covered case. Stop. After that, you type out para 6, 7, and 8. It's here. This one. How many cases are left? Only this one.
Apply, lordship.
Right. The sole respondent. 1 week time is allowed to file affidavit. List after one.
Item 1,
Lordship, we are ready.
At least I hope today everybody. is
Yes,
ready.
ma'am, I'm.
Standing Council Education. You ready? Heard, Mr.
D dust.
D Das, then the council for the. Also heard, Mr.
And on behalf of R. Mohinder.
Come.
Lordship on NLE on behalf of R. Mohinder.
R. Majumdar.
Okay, also heard R. Majumdar, then the standing council, Secretary Education Department. Mr. M. Datta, then the council for the response number 8. Parties have submitted their written arguments. Hearing concluded, just a minute.
Diploma, Your Lordship.
Please.
Item 52, 53, and 54.
Yes, Barbujari, are you ready?
My lord,
You have 4?
my lord, I included respondent number 5, my lord, in WPC 5231 of 2022.
Your, will it cover the all other writ petitions?
Yes, my lord, I am there, my lord, as private respondent in item number 52 and 53.
Hmm.
And so far as, my lord, item 54 is concerned, my lord, there I am not a party respondent.
Okay, heard, MS.
M. Zomanpui. I'll write down Lordship.
I am submitting my.
Okay, I'll record your senior's name.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. B.D. Conwell and a senior counsel assisted by MS.
M. Zomanpui.
Write your name.
Yes, Lordship.
Government advocate.
the respondent number 7.
Government advocate.
Government advocate, my lord, standing council help, my lord. They will be required, my lord.
Where are they? Just a minute.
Perhaps, my lord, they have submitted, my lord, I am confined. He is coming, my lord, standing council help. Otherwise, my lord, the petitioners, my lord, have not alleged any malafide against the, my lord, private respondent. My lord, here is a case, my lord, where they are seeking, my lord, a promotion, my lord, with regard to default committed by the, my lord, health department, so far as, my lord, belated submission of ACS are concerned.
So health department is the,
Primary respondent, my lord.
where is the health department?
My lord, he is coming, my lord. Standing council B. Bora, my lord, I have sent him a call.
Yes, Bora.
Yes, my lord. We have filed our written submission, my lord. Written argument on last occasion, we have filed, my lord.
You have filed?
Yes, my lord. In the WPC number 30. In WPC number 8292 of 2019, we have filed, my lord.
You have filed?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. B.D. Conwell and his senior counsel assisted by Mr. Enso for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D.B. Bora, then the standing council health department. And Mr. R. Barbujari, then the council for the response number 5 in WBC number 5231 of 2022 and 8292 of 2019.
My lord.
Stop. Any other respondents? 6,
What?
7? And MS? Huh? Then the council for the response number 7. Where's response number 6?
Number 6.
Response number 7 in WBC 5231 of 2022. Hearing parties have submitted so and so.
I'm so obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
You collect all the written arguments.
Obliged.